Hi gorgeous people, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, in today's video, I'm super excited because we're going to be testing out the Nikita X Morphe palette. Look how beautiful is this packaging. This is screaming Nikita. She is stunning, beautiful, she's very exotic looking. But look how amazing is this colors. So gorgeous, so beautiful. It has a lot of the neutrals, the warms, the purplish colors. Let's just begin with the eye tutorial and test it out. I'm going to be using Prima Donna, this color right here. I'm going to be using a fluffy brush like this, and I'm going to place that in the crease area. And I'm going to be using Prima Donna. I'm going to put the palette down, and then I'm just going to put that in the crease and just do circular motion. The pigment of this palette, it's like butter, very creamy. I am impressed with her formulation of the eyeshadows. I'm excited to see what type of eye look we're going to create with this palette. I'm going to be using this color right here. This color right here, Army, and I'm going to place that in my outer crease, and I'm going to use the same fluffy brush, and I'm just going to pat it, and then we're going to bring it up. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty setting powder, and this is in Banana Bread, and I'm going to set underneath my eyes just so if it has any fallout, but so far it doesn't really have any fallout, just in case I want to prep my eyes. And I'm going to grab my Morphe brush right here. It's a little fluffier brush, and I'm going to grab Artificial. I'm going to grab this color right here, and I'm going to place that on top of my crease. So like right here, just so we can smoke that out a little bit with that brown. Then I'm going to grab Prima Donna again, and I'm going to place that right on that crease area just to darken that brown up. So we're basically doing the same process again. And then we'll, with the same brush, we'll grab the Army color and just bring that Army green back. I'm liking that. So I'm like really want to try this green right here, this Shigo color. It's so beautiful. I just want to try it out. Like, look how beautiful and green that is. I'm going to place that on my lid, and I'm not going to cut it. I'm just going to just place it on my lid and see how that will work. I'm going to use my Morphe M152, and I'm just going to place that lime green all on my half of the crease. I really want to see how this looks. Do you see this green? This lime green is so bright. Look how beautiful is that. Oh yes, Nikita, you're bringing me life. I am shook, guys. Like, I haven't even placed that all over my lid, and it looks amazing. And I didn't even cut the crease. Now I'm going to be using this color right here, and this is in Peacock, and I'm going to place it in the center, and I'm going to use this brush right here, and I'm going to place it in the center so we can just blend that army color and that neon color, that Shigo color. I'm going to grab that Shigo color and bring that green back. Grab that fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend everything out, the harsh line. I'm like impressed with this palette. Like, if I go close up, you don't see it, no fallout whatsoever. And I'm using like dark colors, so this is pretty impressive. So I'm just going to play a little bit with the brown. So I'm going to use Prima Donna, and I'm just going to brighten that outer corner up. I want that brown to pop up a little bit more, and I also want that Prima Donna color right down here just to smoke it out a little bit, and then just bring it up. I'm going to be using my Maybelline Long Lasting Gel Liner, and I'm going to be using my angle brush right here. So it looks like that. I'm going to do the other eye. Alright, so my wing liner is on. I'm going to put my lashes on. And so in my inner corner, I'm going to be using Escort, and is this color right here. And I'm going to place that in my inner corner. I'm going to be using this little pencil brush right here, and I'm going to put the Escort in my inner corner. I'm going to spray it, just because I want that inner corner to pop a little bit. Alright, so that's how it looks. So now we're going to do underneath our eyes. I'm going to use this brush right here, the angle brush. I'm going to use the green, just so we can brighten that eye. And then I use this little brush right here, this little pencil brush, and then I'm going to use that Prima Donna color and just put it in the bottom and smoke it out. I'm going to be using my Essence Extreme Lasting Waterproof Pencil, and it looks something like this. It's a nude. And I'm going to place that in my waterline. That should open up my eyes a little bit, so I look really awake. Then I'm going to be using my Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara. Something like that. And I'm going to put that in my waterline. Alright guys, so now we're going to finish up the face and then we'll be done. I already did my bronzer and everything like that, so we're just going to put a blush. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the Brush Trio. So beautiful. Guys, I love blush. Blush just makes everything. Like, it makes the makeup. So, like, look how beautiful. GorJess. I love it. I'm going to be using my Morphe palette, Totally Tan 8T. I'm going to be using this color right here. And I'm going to be using this brush right here. I mean, why not put it here since we have our shirt collarbone, showing our collarbones, right? Alright, we're all golden and bronzy and beautiful. So now we're going to do our lips and then we will be done. I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Perfect Pout Gel Lip Liner. And this is in Doll in Love Again. And it looks something like this, like a little orangey color. Underline my lips. Then I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Color Icon Lip Gloss. And it's an orangey color with a little speck of glitter. I'm going to place that on my lips. So this is the color of the lips. So to finish off the look, I'm going to be using my setting spray, the e.l.f. Glow Dewy Mist. Alright guys, so this is the final look. My thoughts on this palette, the Morphe X Nikita palette. I enjoyed myself creating this look. The palette was super easy, super blendable. The eyeshadow was creamy, very, very, very easy to blend. I did not have any patchiness on my eyelids. I love the colors. And the colors were so bright. Like this green right here, this lime green was super bright. And I just enjoy myself when I can use bright colors and it's not like hard to blend. But this was easy, guys. But if you guys like this, please give it a big thumbs up. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until my next video, bye bye.